No, I'm not colorblind. I know the world is black and white. Try to keep an open mind. Just can't sleep on this tonight. Stop this train. I wanna get off and go home again. You can't take the speed it's moving. No, I can't. Honestly, won't someone stop this train? Don't know how else to say. I don't want to see my parents go. One generation's length away from fighting life on my own. Stop this train. I wanna get home, go home again. Can't take the speed it's moving. I know I can't.